Good morning, my dear students. Class, today we are going to learn about the section formula, and this formula help us to find the coordinate of a point between the line. And for example, you can see this diagram. In this diagram, we know if we know this coordinate, and we want to determine this coordinate. Suppose this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and I want to know the coordinate of this, which is in the ratio of m ratio n. So how we will do that we have to understand. So class, there is a direct formula given to us for internal division. Suppose the point that we want to determine is internal, then how we will do? Class, you can see that this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is under ratio m ratio n. This is AP to the PB. AP to the PB is m ratio n. Then how we will construct the formula? Class, this is m and this is n. So m into this x2 n into x1 upon m plus n. Similarly, m into y2 n into y1 upon m plus n. So this formula is done. Simply we have to apply this formula and we will get the value of x and y of this p coordinate. Next is the external. External is as such, you can see that A is here and B is here, and we want to get this P. This is M, suppose, and this is N. Then what formula you will use? See class, it is given AP is M and PB is N. Then what formula you will use? The same formula, only the difference between the last formula and this formula is, here you can see that everything is in plus and here you can see that everything is in minus. But maximum question we can do using internal bisections, so that's not a problem. So this formula is more important, that is internal division, than the external division. Now next is, suppose that point is the midpoint of it. Suppose that point is a midpoint of it. A line is there, this is A, this is B, and this is in between. This is A, this is B, and this coordinate we want to get, and this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint, means they are in equal ratio. So if we will apply the internal one formula also, then also we will get the same formula. But no need to learn that one. Directly x1 x2 divided by 2, y1 y2 divided by 2. That's all class. Now this formula is finished. Now class, you can see the first question. First question is exercise 7.2. First question of exercise 7.2. Class, you can see that it is given that the coordinate of the point divides the line, the joining of, means this is 1 comma minus 1 comma 7 and this is 4 comma minus 3, and they are divided in ratio 2 ratio 3. Class, you have to write in the same way. This is minus 1 comma 7, that's why this is 2, because this is the first one and this is 2 is the first one. Similarly, this is the second one, that is 4 comma minus 3, and 3 is the second one. So in this way only you will write. If you will write the opposite, it will give the wrong answer. After that, you just have to implement that internal one formula and you will get the answer. Next question is question number 2. Find the coordinate of the point of trisection of line segment joining 4 comma minus 1 and minus 2 comma minus 3. So class how we are going to do that? In this class, trisection means three equal parts. One, this is your A and B, which is given 4 comma minus 1, and this is given minus 2 comma minus 3. Now class, trisection means this line is to be divided into three equal parts. So this is first part, this is second part, this is third part. First part, second part, third part. So class, in this way we are going to do. Now in this question, how you are going to do? So class, here it is given P point. P point is in ratio 1:2, because AP is 1, PQ is 1, and QB is 1. So AP is 1 only, but P2B is 2. So 1:2. So for finding this A, P and B, this is 1 and this is 2. And this coordinate we know, we will get this coordinate. This is our M and this is our N. Similarly, if we want to get Q, A, B and this is Q. So this is 2:1. This is our M, this is our N. This is x1y1, this is x2y2. Substitute the formula and you will get the answer. In this way class, you have to try. In this way you have to do. Very easy exercise, just the formula we have to put.